Welcome back for another episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson with the Jason Martin Group. I'm rocking my new shirt today. Very comfy and looks fashionable too. And we are going to be discussing how to green your lawn up, get rid of the weeds, and really make your lawn look great. Stay tuned.
This episode is a little bit different. As you can tell, we're outside, we're not in the house. A little bit of a different fix-it. So today I'm joined by my friend Jason Turner, who's going to show us how to take care of our lawn, prevent weeds, and keep it looking green throughout the year. Jason?
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so I've been in the industry for a long time, even though I'm not active anymore. I was in the business for about 10 years. Actually, at a golf course, and several golf courses actually, where I was practicing turf and golf course management. So I know a lot about it, even though I don't do it anymore. Yeah, so the best time to do it, any kind of application of fertilizer, is going to be in the cooler parts of the year, definitely now and in the fall. So I definitely want to do it sooner rather than later. This is absolutely the key to having a greener lawn and a healthier lawn, to A, push the good grass that you have, and B, prevent the bad grass that will likely pop up during the year. So you definitely want to do it sooner rather than later, and that's going to be the key to a healthy and beautiful lawn. Right here, so I have fertilizer plus pre-emergent. So that's going to help push the good grass and also prevent the bad grass, which means the crabgrass and the other stuff that ends up popping up throughout the year. So definitely want to get you some of this, and then that's going to definitely get you on the right path. So I've done some seeding this year already, and even started last fall, but we had a rough summer last year. So the ideal time to put this down is obviously before it rains, so you make sure that it dissolves and gets into the soil, and it's absorbed by the soil, just so that way you don't have to worry about trotting out the sprinkler and getting it in. If you do it before it rains, even a day or two before it rains, that's going to be ideal. Definitely you don't want to have it down on the soil for that long, because what happens is it volatilizes and it loses its strength. So get it on there right before it rains, or you can apply water to it. That's going to help out the overall process and give you those results. Directly after the application, you want to clean it up. I mean, you don't want your dog or cat to eat it, obviously. So if you get some on your driveway, you might want to blow it off or brush it off, broom it off, whatever you have. So yeah, I mean, it's not going to be something that's really that bad, if anything at all. But obviously, you don't want it to be ingested. What we have here is your old clover, right? This is bad stuff. Obviously you don't want it, and the way that you kill it is with a 3-way herbicide you can get from any agricultural store. Maybe even your Lowe's or Home Depot might have it, depending on your location. So mix some of that in with the handheld sprayer, and it'll knock it out in a couple days. So right here I've done some seeding, and I put a little bit of soil on top of it, as you can see right there. And you really want to water that in and make sure that it gets some good moisture. Clearly I need to water this a little bit more, but we might get some rain today. But you definitely want to do it earlier in the season. That's going to help you out. You don't want to do it in the summer because it's just tougher to grow grass then, and tougher to get seeds to germinate. Right here what we have is an area where I actually treated earlier in the year, and as you can see, it's coming through very nicely, and it's nice and thick and lush, and free of any weeds. So that's the goal for the whole area, but I'm going to do it for this purpose and show you guys as well. Yeah, so I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm a mortgage loan specialist right now, not necessarily the grass guy anymore, but if you have any questions regarding mortgages, feel free to reach out to me anytime.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor with my buddy Jason Turner. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll now have the greenest lawn on the block in the next coming months. If you'd like to see other tricks or how-tos for fixing things in the house, your yard, please let me know. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. See ya.